y'all, it's Britt Lathrece and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. So today what I have for you guys is a fun look for less for the Bottega Veneta drop earrings. So guys, as I'm sure you noticed, these earrings are very much so trending right now. We've seen celebrities in them. We've seen some of our favorite influencers in them. Like contemporary designers are making their own interpretations of them, and the internet is buzzing about these earrings. So naturally, because I'm a fan of Bottega and vintage jewelry, these made it to my consideration list. However, I was like, you know what? I don't think I'm ready to splurge on these. So I took to eBay to find something that could possibly work. And y'all, I am so excited about what I found. Like, you won't even believe it. So, okay, I took them out of the mail packaging and just left them in here for today's unboxing. And guys, I am like so excited. Y'all know I love some earrings, especially vintage ones. Oh my God. They're wrapped really nicely. Okay, guys. Look at them. I'm excited. Ooh, these are nice. I'm very impressed. All right, guys, taking a closer look at these earrings. These are actual clips. So these are different from the Bottega earrings in that way. They are not like kind of that like 360 drop. They more are 180 drop. And I know there's a specific jewelry word for it, but it's not in the Rolodex at the moment. These are not a shiny gold. Instead, they are more of a matte gold. And yeah, I think just that shape and that drop, this has like more of like even a line right here on it, which kind of gives it a little bit of a different type of dimension and look. But overall, she's a contender. She's a very good contender, if I may say so myself. And I liked that like matte brushed gold, because a lot of my jewelry tends to be that way, especially my rings. So I feel like it matches my style a little bit better. Oh, and I found these for $60. So, okay, I'm gonna try them on for you guys. Okay. Ooh. Like, I really like these. I will move the hair. These are very nice. And I feel like they're giving me what needs to be given. And it's giving my wallet all the joy too. So how I found them was I started to look at like chunky earrings, and I found these vintage Givenchy earrings from the 1980s. They're very, very comfortable, which is different from my other Givenchy earrings that are super cute, but not as comfortable. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. These are gonna be so like fun to wear like all spring and summer and just in general. They're a really good staple. They're very flattering. And I feel like they're just a really, really nice choice. So yeah, guys, that was my eBay find. And actually, I haven't purchased anything on eBay in so long. So I was actually kind of excited because I'm like, oh my God, look what I found. The seller was really great. I'll definitely make sure to leave the seller's name in the comments. And guys, yeah, if you are interested in these earrings or anything like that, but not necessarily ready to completely commit to it in its full way, given that it could be a splurge, I definitely encourage you to find similar styles. Sometimes, guys, it's really tough to have the discipline not to hop on a trend, but also it's really kind of fun too, because you get to challenge yourself in a way like, how can I find this look for less? And that's exactly what I did. So if you think you can find it and you know you would be satisfied, I say go for it. Save you a coin, sis. So yeah. All right, that is everything I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload. I'll talk to you later. Bye.